I think I've done all the damage I can do with the file. I need to put some sandpaper to it. He said as he kept filing. It's so worn out I can't tell which is the front or the back. I'm trying to stop right at that little point where this surface meets the inside cut, There's a little point right there, a little crease, and I'm trying to stop right there, but if I end up taking a little bit too much off this, I can drop that trigger guard down just a touch. It's very easily done. But this has to flow. That has to flow. That's just, you can't just go up to it and then drop down and go around it. It has to flow. Really pretty good. It's actually a little bit high, just right here. Very slightly. Touch that with some 220 and that'll be just right. The customer is going to do his own finishing on this stuff, and I'm not sure whether I've got to checker it before I give it to him and let him finish around the checking, or if he's going to bring it back. I gotta contact him and find out. So I'm almost finished with this. Have to take this metal out of it and sand right up around where the edge of the metal touches, where I can't quite get there the way it's set up now. after I got done making the stock on this Essex, I gave it back to the customer. He wanted to do his own finish work, and so he just brought it back to me the other day, and he finished his forearm as well. But now I've got to clean the checking out on this forearm, and I got to add the checking, the original pattern, to the buttstock. This checking is quite primitive. It really is. It's got, it's not very straight on its lines. It's not very consistent on the spacing of the checking. Some of it is really wide and some of it's not so wide. So all I'm going to be able to do is just deepen it. Try to keep it in bounds and simply deepen everything. And if I have a chance to straighten out something, I will. After I get it all recut, I'll add some checkering oil or some maybe some linseed oil. I'll have to get back with the customer and see kind of what look he wants. The linseed oil I have is dark. It has some black in it, so it will darken this checking quite a bit, which is my favorite look. Besides that, the fact linseed oil is extremely protective. It adds a real nice protection. Keeps water and anything else that you don't want in there out. But these lines are absolutely atrocious. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to straighten them out with a veining tool. I can't even make sense of them with this checkering tool. It's unbelievable.